Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, so let's begin. To open up the home screen menu, we can call it in that way, all we need to do is to hold on the free space on our screen, and now this menu appears. And we are interested in the things that are right in here below on the screen. So, wallpaper and style, themes, widgets, and the settings. Let's click on the wallpaper and style. That's one of the ways how you can change your wallpaper. All you need to do now, if you want to change it, click on change wallpapers. In here you have a list, and as you scroll down you can click on get more themes, and in here you can buy yourself a new one. Sometimes not sometimes some of those themes require payment. You can see the price below, but some of them are completely for free. For example, those one on the bottom, you can see that they are for free, so you can download them and buy them in here. You can also change the icon style. You can buy yourself a new one or find some that are for free. Also, you can change the themes for the AOD. AOD stands for always on display. That's the shortcut from the full name. And in here you can also buy or download some free themes. Alright, let's go back from here and let's click on the themes. Sorry, not the themes, my bad, on the widgets. Now, below we have the list of apps of which we can change, of which we can create a widget. In here we have a whole list, and next to each app we can see a number, and this number stands for the styles of widgets that we can pick. So for example, I'll select the notes, and now as you can see I have 3 styles. So that's the first one, that's the second one, and that's the third one. Similar thing with the internet, for example, number is 2, and we have 2 widgets. Okay, so for example, let's create a widget of Gmail maybe, or no, the Gemini. Simply select the app, select the widget, click on add, and now as you can see it appeared right now on our home screen. Of course, widget is like a shortcut, so for example when I click on that, the Gemini launches immediately. You can also change the place of your widget on the home screen. Simply hold on it, and now you can change its position. So for example, I'll place it right in here, and now it automatically saved. If you want to delete the widget, simply hold on it, and in here you can remove it. You can also create a stack, and you could read that only, wait a second, create a stack, only widgets that are the same size or that can be resized. So for example, let's select the Chrome and maybe that one, maybe they will stack. Oh yeah, for example the widget from the Chrome and from the Gemini stacked. And if you want to change the widgets, you need to simply slide left or right. If you want to remove it, hold on it and click on remove all. Boom, now it disappeared. Maybe let's create one more widget. I think the clock widget is pretty useful, so let's find the clock. Select your style. I'll pick that one. Click on add. You can also change its size. And now it's saved on our home screen. Okay. And the last thing are the settings that are in here. We can, for example, change the app size. We have 3 positions, so that's the smallest. In here we have the medium, and that's the large icons. Below we can enable or disable the widget labels and the app labels. We can change the home screen layout also. Currently we have the home and the apps screens. It's like the app drawer in other devices, in other brands, or we can select the home screen only. And when we have the app screen, it means that when we are on the home screen and when we perform that move, when we slide to the app side, we open up this drawer. So in here simply all apps are organized next to each other. When we turn it off, we won't have it. Let me show you that. Let's open up the settings. Let's select home screen only, hit on apply, and now everything is right in here, as you can see. And now when I'll go to the app side, it doesn't launch. So you can select your style. It's up to you. For me, I'll go to the settings. I want to click the home screen layout, and I'll pick the home and app screens. In my opinion, it's more comfortable, but everything is up to you, of course. Also, we can change the grid of the home screen, app screen, and the folder grid. When you click on the home screen, we have 4 on 6 or 5 on 6. So basically, when we click on 5 on 6, we can get more apps on one screen, but the icons are smaller. You can see the difference right now on the screen. If you want to save, select the second one and click on done. Now let's go with the app screen. Again, we have 5 on 6 or 4 on 6. You can see the difference right now on the screen. If you want to change, click on done, and it will be saved. Same thing with the folder grid. Other option is 4 on 4. We have other things such as add media page to home screen. We can show app screen button to home screen when we enable it. We can lock home screen layout, so it will prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. Let me show you how it works. So when we turn it on, now let's say I'll try to move up the settings into other place. And when I'm trying to do it, because if you want to change the position of the icon, you need to hold on it and slide. And you can see that home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in the settings. So it works just fine. We can also enable to add new apps to home screen. We can change the app icon badges. It can be number or the dot. We can also change it. We can enable or disable to swipe down for notification panel or rotate to landscape mode. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.